Hey guys, so in today's video we are going to make a very creamy and cheesy dish, cheese chicken handi. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First and foremost, turn on the burner. Add some oil to your pan. Meanwhile the oil is heating up. Cut your vegetables. For the vegetables you need 1 capsicum and 2 green chilies. Now add some ginger garlic paste to the oil. Cook it for about a minute. Thereafter, add your chicken to the pan along with the vegetables that you have cut. Saute it for about 5 minutes. Now add some spices to your chicken. I'll mention it in the description below. Mix it well. For the very important step, add some whipped curd, which will allow the chicken to cook and the spices to mix well with the chicken. For the next step, just pop up the lid and let the chicken cook through. After 10 minutes, you'll start to see this texture to your chicken. Now add some whipped cream. You can use whichever cream you want to. I've used Amul cream. Mix the chicken well with the cream. Now add the star of the show, which is cheese. I have used mozzarella cheese. You can also use cheddar cheese. Now put on the lid and let the cheese melt down. After the cheese is melted down, mix the cheese well with the chicken. Now for some enhanced taste, add some kasturi methi along with some zeera. Now for the aesthetics, add some butter and garnish it with coriander. Thank you, that is it for the video.